The new era of cleaning has begun. The ERA EVO has joined the ranks of the SPRiNTUS dry vacuum fleet with a variety of innovative features. Strengthen your brand and its recognition. On request, we can customize your ERA EVO with your logo or any other text. High-quality printing options are almost limitless. With its patented power regulation system, the ERA EVO can be adjusted to all floor coverings. The Signal Red 10-meter power cord can be optimally stored in the integrated cable rewind system. You can change the cable in just a few simple steps. The ERA EVO offers a variety of clever storage spaces for all accessories. The highest standards are also set with regard to filtration. Due to the four-fold filtration, including a HEPA 13 filter bag, a fleece filter basket, and a HEPA 13 filter cartridge, the blowout air is perfectly clean. The high-quality aluminum tubes are extremely robust, and due to their light weight, they make it possible to work without tiring. With a length of 2 meters, the robust multi-flex hose offers an optimal working radius.